guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are making white chocolate chunk cookies which are also flavored with coffee and cardamom. These cookies are so incredibly addictive. It's got a crisp outside and deliciously chewy inside with flavors that will completely blow your mind. It's a cookie like you have never eaten before. Before we dive into the recipe, I just very quickly wanted to talk to you about my online course, Just Cheeky Cheesecakes, where I show you how you can learn to bake irresistibly unique cheesecakes without eggs, without water bath, and without gelatin. This course is for you even if you have never baked a cheesecake before. And also if you don't get cream cheese in your area, that's no problem because I have a video where I show you how to make your own cream cheese within 30 minutes, so you are completely sorted. Inside this course, I teach you over 50 cheesecake recipes, and there's 3 super juicy bonuses, including an entire module dedicated just for savory cheesecakes. Oh yeah, we are going all out in this course. An even juicier brand new update is coming your way soon in the next couple of months, and that will completely blow your mind. It's almost like a part 2 for this online course, and it's going to transform your home baking business forever. And you get all of this content for lifetime access at a price that you would normally pay for a 3-hour workshop. Isn't that an amazing deal? And I would recommend that you grab it while the price still lasts, because the prices will be going up soon. There's over 30 students currently enrolled in this course, and they are thoroughly loving it, and they think that I am seriously undercharging for the value that they have received. The prices will be increasing soon once I launch the heavy duty update, and so if you would like to make this year the one that grows your home baking business to the moon, then enroll in the course right away. However, if you would like to get a little taster before you make this investment, download a free preview of the recipe ebook, which is one of the bonuses in the course. All the links have been mentioned down in the description box below. I'm so excited to welcome you to my course, and now let's get back to the recipe. We'll first begin by creaming our butter and sugar together. So the butter here is salted butter and it's at room temperature. So using your electric beaters on a medium speed, you're just going to cream just the butter first till it becomes nice and smooth and pale and fluffy. It will lighten up in color like this. You'll mix this for about a minute. Then you are going to add your caster sugar in. Once you've added the caster sugar, again you'll mix this for a total of 2 minutes, but you'll need to go around the bowl with the spatula after about a minute. So now we are on low speed, just keep mixing, and after a minute I'm going to take my spatula, I'm going to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure the butter and sugar mix is well mixed together. Now again with my electric beaters, I'm going to go on medium speed and keep mixing this for another minute. You'll see that the texture of this changes incredibly and it's looking pale and fluffy like this. This is what we want. Again, we are going to take our spatula, go along the sides and the bottom of the bowl. Now we will add our dry ingredients. It's a very simple recipe, very straightforward. Just chuck in your all-purpose flour here. As you can see, I have not sifted it. I've just weighed it out, and now I am just transferring this into my mixing bowl. Now here, as you can see, we have some instant coffee powder, some cornstarch, some cardamom powder and some baking soda. I'm going to pop them all in. Now don't start your electric beaters immediately, because if you do that, the dry ingredients are going to fly all over the place. Just manually mix around with the beaters like this, and once it is mixed a little bit with the butter, just turn it on low speed, and then after about 30 seconds or so, turn it up to medium for another 10 seconds. You do not want to overwork. I'm going to use my spatula, go along the sides, because as you can see, there's still a few dry bits in there. So just go around the sides and the bottom of the bowl. So initially on low for 30 seconds, and now for about 10 seconds. You don't want to overwork here, just till the dry bits are mixed with the butter. Now we're going to add our chopped white chocolate. I like to chop the chocolate and then pop it back in the refrigerator so it remains nice and cold and doesn't melt in the cookie dough. So just give it a mix with the spatula first, and then using your hands just bring it together into a nice dough. Now all the quantities for the ingredients are mentioned down in the description box below, so check that out. Now I'm just going to bring this together. As you can see, it has come together really well. I'm going to rest this for about 5 minutes now. Now what I'll do is I have a baking tray which I have lined with parchment paper, and I am just going to start scooping 1 ice cream scoop's worth of dough onto my baking paper. You can keep it close together now because we are going to let it rest at room temperature itself for about 15 to 20 minutes. So just pop them onto the parchment paper which is lining the baking tray, and once you've scooped out all of the cookie dough, you get around 8 cookies from this recipe. Now I'm going to just sprinkle some sea salt on top. I'm just letting it rest while my oven preheats to 170 degrees Celsius. Once that has happened, we will pop this in the oven at 170 C for about 18 to 20 minutes. Turn the cookies halfway around so they bake evenly, and after they are out of the oven immediately, just press in some chunks of white chocolate. Because the cookie dough is soft at this point because it's super hot, the chocolate sort of sticks to the surface of the cookies, and as they cool down they attach themselves on the top and it gives us beautiful molten tops. I will show you what that looks like in a bit. Just let them cool down completely on a wire rack. Do not eat them while they're still hot because they'll fall apart. Let them rest about 15-20 minutes, half an hour. It should be at room temperature, and then the cookie sort of firms up really well. As you can see, you have these pools of white chocolate in there which looks amazing and tastes even more delicious. I'm going to break into a cookie so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. It's crisp on the out and deliciously chewy in the center. It is so addictive. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next time. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.